everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Ed Physics Exam. And guys, this is another video in the series which is Toppers Track. Now in this video I am going to discuss a very important topic of classical mechanics, or you can say a very important point for solving the numericals in classical mechanics. Now guys, I will let you know like when to use this formula, which I am going to let you know in this video, that is effective potential. It is a very small point, but due to this, if somebody is not familiar with it, your answer may get wrong. Clear? So basically it is very important and we all should know about it. Now let's quickly start the discussion about this particular point, and at the end I will give you two different questions which you all will try by using the concept I am going to let you know in this video. And guys, after solving those questions by mentioning question number 1 and question number 2 in the comments, you will let me know what exactly is the correct option according to you when you have solved this question. So what options you are getting as the right answer. So you will mention it in the comments and I will let you know whether it is right or it is wrong. So now let's quickly start the discussion. So guys, here we are going to talk about effective potential. When we need to consider the formula for effective potential in what questions, how we'll get the idea or the hint that okay, we need to use effective potential instead of using the given potential. Clear? What exactly is the effective potential expression? That is, V effective is equal to J square upon 2mr square plus VR, where VR is the given potential and J is the angular momentum, and then rest of the terms are having their usual meaning. Even in place of R square, it can be L square depending on the question again. Clear? Now next thing. Guys, if I'm going to talk about this thing, that when we need to use it, in what kind of questions, in what situation. So basically if your question is related to circular orbit, you will not use the given potential expression. You will use the effective potential in that case to solve the question, whatever you need to find. If potential is required, you will use the effective potential if your question is related to circular orbit, or if angular momentum is given to you in the question or some hint about the angular momentum or exactly angular momentum is written. Then also we can't use the given potential expressions. Okay, that means this one, we have to use the effective potential. So in two different cases, one when the question is related to circular orbit, other one if the question is related to angular momentum, we will consider the effective potential. Now what you need to do, you need to solve these two questions. Options I have written here, but after solving them, you will mention the option which is correct according to you in the comments below this video, and I will let you know whether your answer is right or whether it is wrong. Clear? So guys, you can now try these questions. Okay, and this was our another video in the series, that is Toppers Track. I hope all the videos which I am providing you in this series are going to help you to get to know about the important points, important concepts, and to work on various questions which are very important for your upcoming exams. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are having any doubt, you can comment below this video, and to solve this question I have provided you the hint as well. Some of the formula I have mentioned here will also work here in the second question. Clear? So yeah, these hints you can go through once to solve this question. I hope it will be helpful, and I hope that after watching all these videos in this series and all the videos I have provided you till now on this channel, you are finding the things very easy. Okay, and like it's easy for you to consider the points, consider the formula, apply them, and to understand the questions given to you. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. At the end I would like to tell you one more thing, that is, if you want to get the guidance by the top educators to prepare very well for your exam, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription for that, because after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get the guidance by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your exam preparation. Also guys, one more thing, that is, you will get so many benefits like weekly quizzes, mock tests, PDF of important notes, okay, recordings of the live classes. Also, whenever you will take the subscription by using the referral code that is Anjali Arora, and by applying it, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, steps to take the subscription are: download the Unacademy Learning app, log into the app, select your goal. Your goal will be CSI or UGC NET if you are preparing for CSI or NET exam for any category like physical science, chemical science, mathematical science. Okay, so after that, click on the 3 lines in the left hand side corner you will get in the Unacademy Learning app. Then click on plus, then click on get subscription and follow the further steps to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. One more thing guys, there are so many new courses which are going to start on Unacademy Plus. If you want to check those courses, their courses structures, you can even check that thing in the Unacademy Learning app. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, subscribe the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. After that, click on the bell icon as well to get the notifications for all the new videos I will provide you on this channel in this series, that is Toppers Track. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.